is Stan, and I've been coming to this practice for many years, starting with the founder, James Fogarty, Dr. Fogarty. Dr. Mohr, I have to smile when I say him because I was so nervous about back surgery. And I think what I like most about him, first of all, his bedside manner after the fact, but telling me up front what was going on and how I was doing and what he was going to do. He even explained why he thought the difference between neurosurgery, neurosurgeon, and an orthopedic surgeon. He didn't say anything bad about anybody. He just explained to me, in my case, what the benefits were using an orthopedic surgeon, specifically him. And I had already done all my research and homework. I knew he was a bright guy, and I knew where he went to school. I knew everything about him, but he's just a great guy. I mean, he's a person you want to hang with and go have a beer. But he was, again, he drew diagrams and he told me exactly what he was going to do. And when he got done, because I had nerves that were stuck in the lunate in the backbone, and I was born with it. But he told me he took a paper clip just to show you the kind of person he is. Took the time and showed me how it was a rounded off instrument, and they go around to make sure there's no sharp edges on what he cut, to make sure that this would not reoccur. He just went into great details, which I needed. Dr. Tanous is very professional. He's very honest and straightforward. There are no secrets like sometimes you feel a doctor's holding back on you. Not Dr. Tanous. Tells you exactly what you need to know. He's very friendly. All the things you'd want from any human being. But from a medical point, he's very blunt and tells you what it is, and answers all your questions. I don't know what else you want from a doctor. And he's almost like a friend. Dr. Mohr is wonderful. He's a good man and a great surgeon. And so I could say the same thing about Dr. Tanous. It's all about character.